Listen up, folks. I know you're probably getting tired of them door dings or whatever they coming from, but this little guy right here is a sure way to pull some of them dents out your doors, and come with me as I demonstrate. Now you can pick one of these little guys up at your local hardware store or something like that, but a lot of guys use these for handling large pieces of glass, but it's fairly cheap. You can get metal ones that's got an even stronger suck, but here we go. Yeah, I picked this guy up from a local hardware store, and like I said, it wasn't nothing but a couple of bucks. Let's see how she goes. You leave it open like that, you just put it on, you close it to suck, and you should be able to pull the ding out just like that. Alright, you see that ding right there, or that dent? I'm going to pull this guy out with my suction cup. Alright, let's give this a shot, guys. This sucker don't want to work. Let's see if it stuck anywhere. Okay, when you're getting started, make sure she's good and flat up against the car. You want to get it so it can just make sure you're able to. It's a little tough sometimes, but you got to make sure all sides is okay. Sometimes you may have to wet it. I'm not getting a good grip, so hold on while I get some lube real quick. Alright folks, it looks like here you got to make sure the area that you're trying to pull out is nice and clean and free of dirt and debris, because that gets in the way of the suction. So bear with me while I clean this dust real fast. Alright folks, it's a little bit wet already, but I'm gonna go ahead and get a nice little spot. Alright, she's stuck on there. Watch as I pull this dent out. Pull your dent out anytime. Alright folks, it's a little bit wet already, but I'm gonna go ahead and get a nice little spot. Alright, she's stuck on there. Watch as I pull this dent out. See that? Just like nothing. And it's a little bit down here. Pull your dent out anytime. I got another small dent right there. Let's see if we can get that bad boy out. I gotta clean it first.